Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Legends Iron Man Model 09. Alright, first step is to apply Bosny number 1-in-1 flat clear as our primer. And then next we are going to apply water-based acrylic primer matte black, brick red, and warm red. So mimix natin to para makapag-apply ng mga shadows dun sa armor. I am using a flat brush para dun sa paint application natin, and yung brush motion natin dito na ginagamit, yung flicking motion para mas gestural yung finish. Kita talaga yung mga brush strokes. Alright, next, dun sa previous mixture, mag-add tayo ng white para mas maging lighter yung color or yung shade. Yung first pass ko dito medyo kulang sa white, so nag-add pa ako para mas maging pink yung shade na i-apply natin. Okay, next step, we are going to apply more white para mas maging lighter pa yung shade. So, ganun lang yung technique. Mag-apply lang tayo ng mga layers and layers of paint dun sa armor panels niya. Specifically dito sa red. And then next, Hero Water-Based Acrylic Primer Matte Black for our line art. I'm going to use a finer brush here. So, yung ginagawa nating comic book style ng lines sa paper, ina-apply ko lang dito sa 3D na action figure. Yan. So we can apply line techniques like feathering, transition lines, at saka mga cross-hatching. We can also use Pilot Twin marker para sa mas finer na lines. So I'm using the extra fine na tip. And then yung last step, mag-spray tayo ulit ng number 1-in-1 flat clear para naman sa top coat, para maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin. And there you have it mga ma'am sir, tapos na yung ating Iron Man Marvel Legends Model 09 Custom Repaint Project. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.